Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do another curly routine because I made another one. I'll put the link in the description below, but I've learned another routine since then, so I thought I'd share. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe for more videos like this. So let's get into this video. First things first is what you need. You need shampoo without sulfates, silicones, or parabens. Today I'm using, well, every day, I use Not Your Mother's Naturals. So these two, this is the Repair and Protect conditioner, and this is a Volume Boost conditioner. And I use these two together, and that is what you need. So let's get into this. I'm gonna rinse my hair with hot water, and that is the first step. So let's do that. Okay, so once that's done, you're gonna take some conditioner. I take 2 pumps, and you're gonna massage that into your scalp with your fingertips, not just your nails. Okay, so I've used this one. This is the one I normally use first, and now I'm gonna use this one. Okay, once that's done, you're gonna rinse it with cold water. Okay, so after that's done, you're gonna, just from about here, you're gonna wet with hot water again. Then you're gonna put conditioner. This is the one I used to put on my tips. Then you're gonna want to wet it with cold water, but not rinse all the conditioner out. Okay, so once that's done, you want to grab a bowl or a jug like this, and you're gonna put it like this, and you're gonna take more of this, about that much. And you're going to scrunch it into the bowl. Okay, so once you've scrunched most of the water and poured it into the bowl or jug, what you're going to do is you're going to detangle your hair with your fingers. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to do this. So you're going to take the water that's in here and you're going to put it back on your hair. And you're going to scrunch. And you're just going to do this until most of the water is gone in here. Okay, so once you've done that, you're not going to do anything, you're just going to take a cotton t-shirt and you're going to just wrap your hair in it. And you're gonna leave it like this for about 15 to 20 minutes. So back Okay, so these are the results of my wash after it's dried. If you didn't get what I did in the other part of the video, is what I did after I put my hair in the cotton t-shirt is I let it sit for 15 to 10 minutes, and then I took it out and I scrunched and I just let it dry. I did finger coil a little bit, so if you can finger coil a little bit. I did a little just to make my curls more defined. I'm not sure if I like how it turned out, but it looks nice. So that's my routine, my new-ish routine. If you want to try it, you can, and it's super simple and it doesn't take that long. You can use this method for straight hair too. You just skip the scrunching part. If you just want to use if you have straight hair and you want to have healthy hair, you can just use shampoo or conditioner without sulfates, parabens, and silicones. So, or you can try, you can try this for straight hair, but you just skip the scrunching. But this this routine is more for curly hair. So that's my routine, and I hope you enjoyed watching me wash my hair. Yeah. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like this. I post a video every Tuesday and Friday. And like this video, if you thought it was a good video, I don't know, just do the thing. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't understand anything or want to know more about the products that I use or the way I wash my hair, either comment down below or look in the description. I'll explain the steps that I did. Just read this description down below, and I'll put the links for the products that I use. So yeah, that's my routine, and I hope these videos help you in some way. And I'll put my previous videos at the end of the video, and I'll link some other ones down in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this. Bye! Fun fact, I was in my PJs for most of that video, so yeah.